I'll be making banana cake in this video. Here I am measuring my sugar, 3 tablespoons of sugar, regular sugar. So set that one aside. I will be measuring 3 cups of all-purpose flour and saving it as well. So here is my 6 egg cracked already. Also we set this aside. So just follow the measurements as it is in this video, and if you are interested, you know how to do it. It's not that difficult. This recipe is very easy. So mix the egg a little bit. This recipe is a very nice one, quick one for that matter. My family love this cake. That's banana cake. So I made this cake every single week, twice a week. You can imagine that, guys, twice a week. So here is my bananas. 5 pieces of banana. So I will be peeling it inside the bowl. So guys, if today is the first day you see my video, you are highly welcome. Please hit the notification bell, subscribe in case I upload, will be notified. To all my returning subscribers, God bless you all. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. As I said before, God bless you and thank you for your love, for your support. So let's go, guys. Finish peeling the bananas and slice it a little bit. So that's what we are looking for. I'm adding the sugar, mix it a little bit. So I'll be adding all the ingredients now, one after the other. So let's go, guys. Next, I'll be adding the egg. Mix it a little bit. This process, you can use machine, you can use hand mixer, you can use anything of your choice to mix it. But here I'm using hand. So this regular ground oil, just your ground oil at home, just 1 cup. You have to use the cup for everything, to measure everything as you are seeing in this video. So mix it a little bit also. So here I'm adding 1 packet of baking powder into the flour, just normal regular all-purpose flour. So I'm adding the flour little by little. So here I'll be adding 7 drops of vanilla flavor. You can put any flavor of your choice, guys. And our milk, this is Zesali peak milk, 3 tablespoons. So that's all what we need for this cake. So guys, I'll be putting my cake in the oven now. I already set the oven for 10 minutes now. So I set the oven already, and the cake will be baked for about 30 to 40 minutes. Yes, our cake is ready. So thank you guys for stopping by. God bless you. See you next time in my next video. Bye bye. Love you.